Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of April 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.65. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 40.45% since we first listed Palantir as a buy candidate 44 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.92% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately 73% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 53% to nearly 79%. Examining the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 388%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between 241% and 400% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price between $471.23 and $691.65. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Palantir as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, the Palantir stock price decreased by 2.27%, moving from $141.41 to $138.20. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.12%, with a low of $136.08 and a high of $141.69. Notably, the stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 3.78% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also declined, falling by 6 million shares, which is actually a positive indicator as volume typically follows stock movements. On that day, the total trading volume reached 70 million shares, amounting to approximately $9.68 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $144.86, while the lowest was $21.23. Currently, the price stands 4.60%, or $6.66, below the 52-week high of $144.86, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies is experiencing significant momentum, having achieved 17 record closes this year alone, including 5 just this month. On June 16th, the stock reached a trading price of $142.05, reflecting a remarkable year-to-date gain of 82.74% and an astonishing one-year increase of 449.16%. This bullish trend highlights the company's strong fundamentals, particularly within its government business segment. Despite this positive outlook, there is skepticism among some Wall Street analysts who are advising to sell the stock, indicating a divergence in sentiment. This could introduce volatility in the short term as investors weigh these perspectives against Palantir's robust performance. Adding to the narrative, Democratic lawmakers have recently requested information regarding Palantir's contracts with the U.S. government, stemming from its expansion under the previous administration. While this scrutiny could impact public sentiment and regulatory assessments, it underscores growing attention on Palantir's pivotal role in government contracts and artificial intelligence solutions. In the short term, investor sentiment may be mixed due to analyst caution and potential regulatory inquiries. However, if Palantir continues to deliver strong performance and strategic growth, it could further solidify its position in the market, positively influencing its stock price in the longer term. In conclusion, while the current climate shows both opportunity and caution, Palantir remains a key player worth monitoring. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned PLTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock an overall neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $136.21 and $125.84. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 16, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 2.27%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 249 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $131.78. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $5.61 between its high and low, which is approximately 4.12%. In the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high P/E ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $141.41. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $131.78. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On June 12, 2025, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman executed an insider sale of 7,335 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman also conducted an insider purchase of 7,335 shares of Class A common stock. On June 10, 2025, Sankar Shyam carried out an insider purchase of 375,000 shares of Class B common stock. On that same day, Sankar Shyam executed an insider sale of 405,000 shares of Class B common stock. Additionally, on June 10, 2025, Sankar Shyam sold 375,000 shares of employee stock options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 8.611. In total, insiders acquired 4,388,800 shares and sold 5,186,279 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $131.87, reflecting a decrease of 4.58%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top observed 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we anticipate Palantir to open higher by approximately 457 $100, starting trading at $138.66. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.